Hello, friends, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I'm so glad you're here today. If you're anything like me, the week after Christmas leaves you wondering how to keep that cozy feeling alive without all the festive chaos. Today, we're diving into creating an after-Christmas farmhouse kitchen nook that celebrates casual, lived-in charm. We'll explore every corner of your farmhouse, from the exterior to those tucked-away reading spots, showing you how to transition your spaces with warmth and style. If you love practical design tips, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our cozy home ideas. Let's get started. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for everything inside. After removing holiday wreaths and garlands, embrace simplicity with weathered wooden shutters, a classic barn door, or board and batten siding painted in soft white or creamy neutrals. Add vintage-inspired lanterns flanking your front door, and consider a simple grapevine wreath for year-round charm. Galvanized metal planters with evergreen topiaries or dried hydrangeas bring texture without overwhelming the clean lines. This pared-back approach creates that authentic farmhouse aesthetic we call understated elegance, where less truly becomes more. Your home's exterior should whisper welcome, not shout it. Step inside to an entryway that functions beautifully while looking effortlessly collected. Install rustic wall hooks made from repurposed barn wood or wrought iron for coats and hats, creating what designers call a landing strip for daily essentials. A vintage bench with woven baskets underneath provides seating and hidden shoe storage simultaneously. Hang a distressed wooden-framed mirror above a narrow console table, where keys find their home in a ceramic bowl. Layer a jute runner over wide plank flooring, and add a galvanized metal tray for wet boots. This cohesive organization system prevents clutter while maintaining that relaxed farmhouse sensibility. Your living room anchors the farmhouse aesthetic with thoughtfully chosen foundational pieces. A slip-covered sofa in natural linen or cotton creates that sink-right-in invitation while remaining practical for everyday life. Pair it with a reclaimed wood coffee table showing authentic wear and character marks, what we call patina in design language. Add texture through chunky knit throws in cream or soft gray, and layer in linen pillows with subtle ticking stripes. A vintage wooden ladder leans casually in the corner, draped with cozy blankets. The key is creating layered neutrals, building depth through varying shades of whites, creams, and natural wood tones. Accessorizing your farmhouse living room requires a curated approach rather than cluttered abundance. Display collected ironstone pictures on open shelving, group vintage books by color on a reclaimed wood console, and incorporate greenery through eucalyptus stems in enamelware containers. A galvanized metal tray corrals remotes and candles on the coffee table, while antique scales or wooden breadboards become sculptural moments. Mason jars filled with cotton stems add height and organic texture. Remember the design principle of odd numbers. Grouping items in 3s or 5s creates visual interest. Each piece should feel intentional, telling your home's unique story. The farmhouse dining room celebrates communal living through a substantial farm table in reclaimed wood or distressed pine. Surround it with mismatched chairs, perhaps vintage Windsor style mixed with upholstered linen seats, creating that collected over time aesthetic rather than matching sets. A statement light fixture, like a black iron chandelier or wooden bead pendant, defines the space overhead. This mixing of elements represents eclectic farmhouse, where imperfection becomes the beauty. Your dining room should feel ready for impromptu gatherings, where family and friends naturally gravitate for conversation and connection. After Christmas table styling embraces winter's quiet beauty without holiday specifics. Create a low centerpiece using a wooden dough bowl filled with white pumpkins, pine cones, and fresh eucalyptus, maintaining what designers call a monochromatic palette. Layer in white ironstone dishes, vintage silverware, and linen napkins tied with jute twine. Incorporate candlelight through mercury glass votives or simple white pillar candles on wooden pedestals. A burlap table runner adds texture beneath your arrangement. The goal is effortless elegance, where your table appears naturally beautiful rather than overly staged, inviting guests to linger long after the meal ends. The farmhouse kitchen balances authentic vintage charm with modern functionality. Think white shaker cabinets with simple hardware, open shelving displaying everyday dishes, and butcher block countertops that warm the space. A farmhouse sink with a gooseneck faucet becomes the focal point, while subway tile backsplash keeps things classic and clean. Integrate modern appliances, stainless refrigerator, gas range, compact coffee station, within this traditional framework. This blend represents transitional farmhouse, honoring heritage while embracing contemporary convenience. Your kitchen should feel hardworking yet inviting, where cooking becomes pleasure rather than chore. Now we arrive at our star, the kitchen nook that embodies casual, lived-in charm. Position a round pedestal table in natural wood near a window, surrounded by mismatched chairs or a built-in bench with linen cushions. Add open shelving above, styled with white pitchers, vintage glassware, and ceramic crocks. A small chalkboard menu board leans casually against the wall, while a wire basket holds fresh fruit on the table. Hang a simple pendant light with Edison bulbs overhead for warm ambience. This becomes your morning coffee retreat, homework station, and casual dining spot, truly earning its place as the heart within the heart. Kitchen accessories in farmhouse style prioritize both utility and visual appeal. Display wooden cutting boards vertically against the backsplash, hang copper measuring cups from small hooks, and keep fresh herbs in enamelware pots on the windowsill. A vintage scale holds lemons or garlic cloves, becoming both storage and sculpture. Use glass canisters for flour and sugar, adding ribbon labels for charm. Install a pot rack overhead showcasing well-loved cast iron cookware. These elements create what we call working decor, where beautiful objects earn their keep through daily use, eliminating the divide between function and aesthetics. The farmhouse family room prioritizes relaxed comfort for everyday living. Anchor the space with an oversized sectional in durable fabric, maybe charcoal linen or warm taupe, facing a shiplap accent wall housing your flat-screen TV. Balance technology with warmth by framing the TV with reclaimed wood shelving displaying family photos in mismatched frames and vintage finds. Add a plush area rug in natural fibers, ottomans for flexible seating, and a storage trunk serving as a coffee table. Floor baskets corral throw blankets and kids' toys. This represents family-friendly farmhouse, where style coexists peacefully with real life's beautiful mess. Carve out a dedicated workspace that doesn't sacrifice farmhouse charm for functionality. A small vintage wooden desk positioned near natural light becomes your command center, paired with an antique Windsor chair or modern task chair in neutral linen. Mount floating shelves above for reference books and a vintage radio playing soft music while you work. Add a unique small desk clock, perhaps an old pharmacy timepiece, alongside a ceramic cup holding pens. A galvanized metal file organizer and wire letter tray keep papers tamed. This zoned living approach creates distinct purpose within open spaces, maintaining flow while establishing boundaries. Every farmhouse needs a reading nook that beckons you to pause and breathe. Tuck a worn leather armchair or slip-covered wingback into a corner bathed in natural light, with a vintage floor lamp positioned for evening reading. Add a small side table, perhaps a repurposed wooden stool, for stacking books and holding your tea. Drape a chunky knit throw over the chair's arm, and position a woven basket nearby filled with current reads. A small gallery wall of botanical prints or vintage book pages personalizes the space. This intimate corner embodies hygge, that Danish concept of cozy contentment, creating sanctuary within your home. The farmhouse bedroom should feel like exhaling after a long day. Center the room with an antique iron bed frame or wooden sleigh bed dressed in white linen duvet covers and layers of textured pillows. Flank it with mismatched nightstands, maybe one vintage trunk, one simple wooden table, topped with ceramic lamps in soft neutral shades. A vintage ladder serves as a blanket holder, while a weathered dresser provides storage with character. Keep walls soft in shiplap white or gentle grayish, and hang simple linen curtains that filter morning light. This creates serene simplicity, where visual calm promotes actual rest. Bedroom accessories should enhance tranquility while reflecting personality. Display a collection of antique mirrors in varying sizes above the dresser, creating depth and light reflection. Add texture through a jute rug underfoot, woven baskets for extra linens, and a vintage quilt draped across the bed's foot. Fresh eucalyptus in a ceramic pitcher brings nature indoors, while stacked vintage suitcases become bedside storage with character. A simple wooden tray corrals jewelry and daily essentials. These curated touches represent intentional minimalism, where every item serves purpose or brings joy, eliminating visual clutter that disrupts peace. Transform your bathroom into a farmhouse spa through thoughtful simplicity. Install a vessel sink atop a repurposed vanity, perhaps an old dresser converted with plumbing, and add an oil-rubbed bronze faucet. Frame the mirror with reclaimed wood, and incorporate open shelving for rolled towels in white or natural linen. The shower area features subway tile with black fixtures, a vintage-style rain shower head, and a wooden stool holding artisan soaps. Add greenery through potted ferns, and display bath essentials in apothecary jars. This functional farmhouse bathroom proves that practical spaces can feel luxurious through quality materials and considered details. Don't overlook the farmhouse garage as purely utilitarian space. Install pegboard walls painted in classic white or barn red for tool organization, creating visible order. Heavy-duty shelving holds labeled wire baskets and galvanized bins for seasonal items. A vintage workbench provides project space, while hooks hold bicycles vertically, saving floor space. Consider epoxy flooring in neutral gray for durability and easy cleaning. Add a vintage metal cabinet for hazardous materials storage. This represents smart farmhouse, where organization systems honor the aesthetic even in working spaces, proving that beauty and function always belong together. Extend your farmhouse charm outdoors through a thoughtfully designed patio space. Arrange weather-resistant wicker furniture with neutral cushions around a fire pit or chimney, creating a gathering spot for cooler evenings. String Edison bulb lights overhead and add lanterns in varying heights for layered lighting. A potting bench doubles as a serving station during gatherings, while galvanized tubs hold firewood or ice for beverages. Incorporate evergreen plants in weathered terracotta pots and hang a vintage window frame as garden art. This indoor-outdoor living blurs boundaries, expanding your home's footprint into nature's embrace. Creating cohesive farmhouse style requires understanding key principles. First, embrace imperfection. Authentic farmhouse celebrates wear and patina rather than pristine perfection. Second, layer neutrals in varying textures for depth without color chaos. Third, mix old and new, balancing vintage finds with modern comfort. Fourth, prioritize function over form, ensuring every beautiful item earns its place through usefulness. Fifth, edit ruthlessly, remembering that farmhouse style breathes through negative space. Finally, personalize fearlessly with items telling your story rather than following trends blindly. These principles create authentic farmhouse, not catalog perfection. Implementing farmhouse style on any budget starts with resourcefulness. Shop thrift stores, estate sales, and flea markets for authentic vintage pieces rather than expensive reproductions. DIY projects like painting existing furniture in chalk paint or creating your own signs from reclaimed would add personality inexpensively. Focus investments on quality foundational pieces like sofas and beds, then accessorize affordably. Swap rather than shop. Move existing items between rooms for fresh perspective. Start with one room, perfecting it before moving forward, preventing overwhelm and scattered budgets. Remember, farmhouse style celebrates gradual collection, so patience becomes virtue in creating spaces with genuine soul. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today exploring after Christmas farmhouse living. I hope you're feeling inspired to create spaces that embrace casual, lived-in charm throughout your entire home. Remember, true farmhouse style isn't about perfection. It's about creating warm, welcoming spaces where life happens beautifully. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow farmhouse lovers. Drop a comment below telling me which space you're most excited to transform. And don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating, friends!